morning, students. Good morning to all of you. So today's numerical, find the equations of the tangent and normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax at the point at square 280. Solution. Given parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Differentiate with respect to x on both these sides. So y square is equal to 4ax. d by dx of y square 2y. In the place of x not there, then d by dx of y. We will write dy by dx is equal to 4a is a constant coefficient, keep it same. Then dy by dx of x is 1. dy by dx is equal to 4a. This into 2y, shift the other side. So by 2. So 4a by 2y means 2 ones are 2 2s are cancelled. So remaining is 2a by 1. So dy by dx is equal to 2a by 1. We want to find the equation of tangent at at square to a. So this is the dy by dx is called the slope of the curve. Now slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is dy by dx at at square to a. Means substitute in dy by dx where x is equal to at square, y is equal to 2a. So here dy by dx is equal to 2a by 1. So 2a by, in the place of y substitute 2a. 2a by 2a means 2a cancels here one time, here one time. So remaining is 1 by 2. So slope of the tangent is 1 by 2. Slope of the normal. Slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. So that is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 means minus 1. So this by convert into, then this 1 by t becomes t by 1. So this value is equal to minus. Now equation of the tangent at at square to a with tangent slope, with the tangent slope 1 by t is equation of the line passing through the point x1 by 1 with the slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here x1 by 1 is equal to at square to at and m is equal to 1 by t substitute. So y minus y1 is equal to 2at into m means 1 by t into x minus x1 is equal to at square. Then simplify this one. So this yt should be set yt minus 2at square is equal to x minus at square. So these terms should be other side x. So plus yt should be other side minus yt. Minus 2at square should be other side plus 2at square minus at square. So this is plus at square is equal to 0. So therefore equation of the tangent at the point AT square to AT to the curve y square is equal to 4ax is x minus yt plus AT square is equal to 0. Now we want to find equation of the normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax at the point AT square to AT. So equation of the normal at the point AT square to AT with the slope slope of the normal is minus is. So here also we will use equation of the line passing to the point AT square to AT and the slope is minus. So equation of the line passing to the point x1 y1 with the slope m. That line equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here x1 y1 is AT square to AT and m is minus t substitute. So y minus y1 means 2AT is equal to m means minus t into x minus x1 means AT square. So then expand this y minus 2AT is equal to minus t into x minus tx or xt minus into minus plus t into AT square is AT cube. So these are terms which should this side. So that this is xt plus y minus 2AT minus AT is equal to 0. This is the equation of the normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax at the point AT square to AT. Next numerical examination point of view, very important. Prove that the curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut at right angles if 8k square is equal to 1. Any two curves, angle between any two curves, this is one curve and this is another curve. Angle between any two curves if you want to find, then the two curves find one of the point of intersection. At that point, angle between the tangents, at that point angle between the tangents is called angle between the curves. Angle between the curves. So now we want to find the point of intersection of the given two curves. So solution, given curves x is equal to y square, it is 1, and xy is equal to k. Solve these two. So from 1 x is equal to y square, substitute into 1, substitute into, means write in the place of x is equal to y square in second equation. So y square into y is equal to k. So y square into y means y cube is equal to k. So this implies y is equal to k power 1 by 2. So y is equal to k power 1 by 3. Substitute in 1. Y is equal to k power 1 by 2 substitute in 1, we get x is equal to k power 1 by 3 whole square, a to the power of m whole to the power of m, a to the power of mn. So k to the power of 1 by 3 into 2 means 2 by 3. So this implies x is equal to k to the power of 2 by 3. Then point of intersection of the given two curves is point of intersection of the given two curves so k to the power of 2 by 3, k to the power of 1 by 2. Now one of the point of intersection of these two curves is k to the power of 2 by 3, k to the power of 1 by 2. Now we want to find slope of the tangent at this point to this curve, that is m1, and the slope of the tangent at this point to the second curve, that is m2. So first find. Now take first curve. So first curve is, what is that? First curve is x is equal to y square. Then differentiate with respect to x on both this side. D by dx of x is 1. D by dx of y square means 2y. In the place of x, x not there. Then dy by dx is equal to, in the place of x, y is there. Then dy by dx of y is dy by dx. So from this, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y. Because of this into 2y becomes this side by. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y. Slope of the curve. Slope of the curve. Yet k to the power of 2 by 3, k to the power of 1 by 3 is m1 is equal to. So we want to find slope of the tangent to the curve at this point. So that is m1 is equal to. So dy by dx at this point will denote by m1. m1 is equal to 1 by 2 into y means right, k to the power of 1 by 2. Next, second term is xy is equal to k. Differentiate with respect to x on both this side. D by dx of x into y. So d by dx of x into y means x. D by dx of y, we will write it as dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x is 1 is equal to d by dx of constant is 0. So from this x, dy by dx is equal to, so plus y should be other side minus y. So dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Now we want to find the slope of the second curve at this point. Slope of the second curve at this point means slope of the curve at k to the power of 2 by 3, k to the power of 1 by 3 is m2 is equal. So here dy by dx at the point k to the power of 2 by 3, k to the power of 1 by 3 will denote by m2, and right in the place of x is equal to k to the power of 2 by 3, k to the power of 1 by 3 in this dy by dx. So this is minus y means k to the power of 1 by 3 by x means k to the power of 2 by 3. So this is a to the power of m by a to the power of m. a to the power of combined a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n. Means minus of k to the power of 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So this is minus k to the power of here 3 is LCM 1 minus 2. So this is nothing but minus k to the power of 1 by 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 by 3. So this one we may write it as 1 by k to the power of 1 by 2. So m2 is equal to minus 1 by k to the power of 1 by 2. Now given two curves are intersect orthogonal or at right angles, angle between these two is 90 degrees. If two lines are mutually perpendicular, then product of these slopes is equal to minus 1. Given angle between the curves is right angle, given angle between the curves is right angle. So therefore these two curves are perpendicular. So if two lines are perpendicular, then product of these slopes is equal to minus 1. So m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So here m1 is m1 is equal to 1 by 2 k power 1 by 2 into m2 is minus 1 by k to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1. So this is 1 into minus 1 by 2 into k to the power of 1 by 3 into k to the power of 1 by 3. So a to the power of m into a to the power of n, a to the power of m plus n is equal to minus 1. So then simplify. So minus gets cancelled. So 1 by 2 is equal to k to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So this is nothing but k to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 means 2 by 3. Now we want to show that is 8k square is equal to 1. So due to that reason, so to delete this 1 by 2, cubing on both these sides. So cubing on both these sides means 1 by 2 whole cube is equal to k to the power of 2 by 3 whole. So a to the power of m whole to the power of n means a to the power of m n. So 3 gets cancelled. So 1 by 2 whole cube means 1 cube 1 by 2 cube means 8 is equal to this is k square. So this implies by 8 should this side 8k square is equal to 1. Hence prove if the given two curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cuts at right angle. So angle between both are perpendicular means product of these slopes is equal to minus 1. If you are using, we reach the condition 8k square is equal to 1. Next numerical, find the equations of the tangent and the normal to the parabola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 at the point x naught y naught. So solution, given hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now differentiate this curve with respect to x on both this. Here x square by a square means 1 by a square into x square. So 1 by a square is constant quotient. D by dx of x square is 2x. Here in the place of x only there, then d by dx of x is 1. Minus y square by b square means 1 by b square into y square. So 1 by b square is a constant coefficient, keep it same. d by dx of y square is 2y. Here in the place of x is not there, then d by dx of y is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of constant derivative is 0. So this is from this equation. This minus value should be other side. So 2b by y square into dy by dx is equal to 2x by s square. So from this dy by dx is equal to 2x by s square. So this by y square should be other side into y square. This into 2b should be this side by 2. So this is nothing but 2 gets cancelled. So here 2x by a square. So y square should be this side by 2b this side. So that here this is here also 2y by b square. See here. So this minus value should be this side. This is 2y by b square into dy by dx is equal to 2x by s square. So dy by dx is equal to 2x by a square. So by b square should be this side into b square by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. Remaining is b square by a square into x by y. So this dy by dx is called slope of the curve. But we want to find tangent and normal at x naught y. So therefore slope of the tangent at x naught y naught is dy by dx x naught y naught. Means in dy by dx substitute in the place of x is equal to x naught and y is equal to y naught. So therefore b square by a square into x naught by y naught. Slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. So that is minus 1 by slope of the tangent is b square x naught by a square y naught. Then minus 1, this by convert into that, this is reverse. So minus of a square y naught b square x naught. So this is the slope of the normal and this is the slope of the tangent. Now we want to find the equation of the tangent. So equation of the tangent at equation of the tangent get x naught y naught with the slope. So tangent slope is b square x naught by a square y naught is. So equation of the line passing through the point x1 y1 with slope is x minus x, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 means y0 is equal to m means b square x naught by a square y0 into x minus x0. Then this b square by y square should be side. This b square by y0 should be side. So b square by y0 means this one comes, so this by y0 comes, this is y0 by b square into y minus y0 is equal to remaining is x0 by a square, x minus x0. Now simplify. So this is y naught by b square minus y naught into y naught means y naught square by b square is equal to, this is x naught by a square. So minus x naught into x naught means x naught square by a square. So this term shift this side, this term shift this side. So after simplifying, so this minus x naught by a square shift the other side. This is x naught square by a square. So minus y naught square by b square is equal to x naught by a square minus y naught by b square. So x naught y naught lie on this, then x naught square by a square minus y naught square by b square is equal to 1 we will get. So this value is equal to 1. X naught square by a square by minus y naught square by b square is equal to 1. Why? Because so we want to find tangent at x naught y naught. So x naught y naught means then substitute here in the place of x is equal to x naught, y is equal to y naught. So x naught square by a square minus y naught square by b square is equal to, value we will get 1. 1 is equal to how much? X naught by a square minus y naught by b square. Therefore, equation of the tangent to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square at x naught y naught is x naught by a square minus y naught by b square is equal to 1. Now, we want to find the equation of the normal to the hyperbola. So, equation of the normal n x naught y naught with the slope minus a square y naught by b square x is so equation of the line passing through the point x1 y1 with the slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x. So here x1 y1 is x naught y naught and m is minus a square y naught by b square x naught. So equation of the normal is y minus y naught is equal to m is minus a square y naught by b square x naught into x minus x naught. So that this a square y naught shift this side, or otherwise y naught by b square shift this side. So that will get, so this by b square shift this side, b square, this into y naught from this y naught is equal into y minus y naught is equal to minus a square x naught into x minus x naught. Simplify. So this is b square y by y naught minus b square by y naught into y naught. So y naught gets cancelled. This is minus b square. So here minus a square x by x naught minus into minus plus. So a square by x naught into x naught means x naught gets cancelled. A square. So then shift a square x by x naught this side and minus b square shift the other side. So this is equation becomes a square x by x naught plus b square y by y naught is equal to, already here plus a square there. So this minus b square shift the other side plus b square. So equation of the normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 at x naught y naught is a square x by x naught plus b square y by y naught is equal to a square plus b square.